Hi, I'm Richard from Seneca Learning, and today we're going to have a look at alkene reactions. So let's have a look. So, a functional group is a group of atoms that determine how an organic compound will react. Now, the functional group of alkanes is this C double bond C, so two carbons connected by a double bond. Addition reactions are normal for alkenes, and these reactions, in these reactions, the carbon-carbon double bonds opens up and form a new atom will join will bond with the carbons. So, a something group is a group of atoms that determines the nature of the reactions of an organic compound. So that would be a functional group. Which of the following is true of alkenes? The functional group is C double bond C. That's correct. And they are involved in addition reactions. They are indeed. They're not involved in subtraction reactions. So here we've got an alkene, which is ethene plus bromine, Br2. And you can see there's an addition reaction here that the bromine joins on to both of these carbons. And you notice the C double bond C is turned into a single bond here. It can be used to test as a way to distinguish between alkenes and alkanes, because if you've got an alkane, this bromine will not react. So, in the presence of a nickel catalyst, you can also add hydrogen gas, and what that does is, again, it breaks down this double bond to a single bond, and it adds a hydrogen on each of the carbons, and that creates an alkane from an alkene. We can also call this hydrogenation. So here we react an alkene, which is ethene in this example, with water in the form of steam, and that can help us form ethanol in the presence of a phosphoric acid catalyst. One real-life example of alkenes and oxygen is alkenes react with oxygen in combustion reactions, so that is when things catch fire. So they react in a similar way to other hydrocarbons. So you've got ethene here plus oxygen would go to carbon monoxide, carbon and water. Carbon dioxide is not produced as carbon monoxide because it's an incomplete combustion, and then it will have smoky flames with that. So, which catalyst is needed for alkenes to react with hydrogen? So that will be, if I remember correctly, phosphoric acid was with bromine. Carbon is part of the the alkene chain. Iron we haven't talked about so far. It was nickel. What must be reacted together to give dibromopropane? So, propane, I'm feeling that prop is telling us it's 3 carbons. So the dibromos just means there's 2 bromines on there. If you remember that added, we just needed the alkene. So the alkene that relates to propane would be propene. Fantastic. What happens during an alkene addition reaction? So is it a carbon-carbon double bond is created? Actually, alkenes already have carbon-carbon double bonds, so it must be the carbon-carbon double bond that opens up. Alkenes react with oxygen in combustion reactions in a similar way to other hydrocarbons. However, because their combustion is something, they'll burn with smoky flames. Now remember I was saying about carbon monoxide is formed rather than carbon dioxide. We call that incomplete.